Hey, I'm Jordan.
Hey, I'm Wallace.
And we're going to talk about our 24-hour video race and what it took to do that real quick.
First of all, what is a 24-hour race? 24-hour race is a race where you have 24 hours to write, shoot, edit, and finish a short film. First, we started by finding a fantastic team of our other classmates here at MediaTech. Luckily, we do go to MediaTech, so we had access to some of the fantastic gear.
So with the 24-hour race, you were given a prop that you have to use, a line of dialogue, a location, and a theme that you have to incorporate in your video.
If you'd like to know what those guidelines are, check out our podcast right there.
Now enjoy E for Empathy.
Our short that won the 24-hour film race in the college division.
Hey, welcome to Little Coffee Brewers. What can I do for you today?
Okay, I'll have a white chocolate mocha.
Okay, what's your name?
Caitlin.
Okay, that's K-A-I?
Caitlin with a C.
Okay, that's C-A-Y?
I.
C-A-I.
Just put Kate.
Okay. Alright. How are you gonna pay today?
Card.
Alright, take that from you. Oh, before we do that, would you like a muffin today?
No thank you.
How about signing up for our loyalty rewards program?
No thank you.
How about donating to a local food bank today?
Sure.
Okay, awesome. You're the sweetest ever, aren't we? Okay, we'll get that drink right out to you. Alright?
Thanks.
Order for Katie.
Oh, I have suffered with those that I saw suffer. Name's Jeff, with a G.
Caitlin with a C.